We thought robots would be some distant, advanced future technology, but they're all around us. They're dancing on stage, working in factories, and they move so naturally that you have to stop and remind yourself that they're machines. People need to understand that these aren't some lab experiments anymore. They're being built and used in huge volume as we speak. See, we've always had robots, but the older ones were programmed to do one specific job, so they did. But these newer ones have AI, so they can watch you do something, learn, and then do it better. You don't have to reprogram them. They already have the ability to learn from observation and also from its own mistakes. But one thing you need to remember is that the same robot that can make a good factory worker can also be used as a weapon. I mean, we've already seen how a cheap drone can take out a multi-million-dollar tank with one missile. So what are you gonna do when there's conflict and one country has thousands of AI-controlled machines that can do crazy damage and think on its own? I know it sounds far-fetched, but right now the US and China are in a full-blown race for AI and robotic supremacy. And honestly, across history, whenever there's a Cold War like this, the first thing people do is use it to enhance their military. It's like each country wants to tell the other country that, hey, not only do we have the better AI, but we can easily use it to erase your country. And so what do these countries do? They go into an all-out competition to one-up each other. They cut corners, they put safety to the side, and they just try to build the beefiest military tools they possibly can. If you saw the Chinese military parade, you would notice that they have literal AI robotic dogs. These things can run faster than Olympic athletes, they can climb mountains, and they have guns attached to them. How safe do you feel knowing that? And to some level, I get it. Wars used to be fought based on how many of the other country's men you could kill. If wars now depended on our robots taking out the other country's robots, that is ideal since human lives aren't lost. But at the same time, do you trust hundreds of thousands of these machines roaming our planet with full control over what they do? The hope here is that AI and robots can be used for some good too. Maybe help solve climate control, maybe fix some other problems, I'm not really sure. The bottom line here is that robots will be built regardless of what you have to say. It's just gonna happen. But will it be used to help or harm humanity is the real question. Thanks for watching, guys.